Hello traders, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Thanks for watching this video, okay? And if you do like it, please give us a thumbs up and ask a question if you'd like in the chat below, okay? This will be a short one. This is episode 16. We're going to feature profiting on SOUN, okay? So SOUN, we bought it on this negative candle. Now, some of you might be wondering, what in the world? Rick doesn't usually do that, and you're right. When I bought it, it was up here at the top. Looked like we were going to have follow through, so I bought this, and man, by the end of the day, it just caved in here. So I had to make a decision: do I keep it or not? I decided to keep it because even though the trend indicator turned red, and even though we closed below the T line, we were still working on a nice little reversal here. One thing that I did do is, and let's go look at the date here. This is September 3rd. By the way, today is September 9th, 2025, okay? So September 3rd, let's go look at the SPY here at September 3rd, and that would be this candle right in here. So we had the gap down in the SPY, and then bulls came in, and we gapped up, and we're fighting to stay up. I looked at that as something positive. Okay, let's monitor this toward the end of the day, and sure enough, we ended up closing what I would consider positive here. Okay, so again, I said, all right, I'll hold it. Let's see what happens the next day. And we also have the support of the 50-period moving average down here. And the chart is trying to turn around. Here we're down with a low. We did put in that high. So I thought, along with my thinking here, well, maybe I should give it a chance to put in a higher high. And it worked out where we didn't even have to worry about it. The next day opened up, and we ended up with what we call a Fig Newton chart pattern. That's a pattern where we're bullish, not so bullish, and bullish. And then we had follow through, and then we had more follow through. And I closed it out right here, near the top here, not exactly, a little off, for I think it was 56% profit. And that worked out all right. Now, I didn't keep it because I just felt, we're getting a little high, maybe take a rest. And this is also the way I trade. I trade those swings, enter, profit, and like we're moving back right now in real time. Again, today's September 9th, 2025. I may watch this for another entry here. We'll see. I'm also looking at a few others that I might be more interested in. So anyway, like I say, a nice trade there. I hope that helps you. Now, don't leave. I've got something I want to share with you because a couple of reasons why I might take profits, and I want to show you this, okay? Now, I will put the link to this down below. It's totally free. It's yours if you want to use it. And that is the calculator, okay? So I'll put the link down in the description area, where all the links are down below in the chat area below YouTube, okay? So let's say that you have, and this is my account doubler calculator. This is what I work with a lot. So let's just say, for the sake of argument, we have $8,000, okay? So all you have to do, and like I said, this is yours. I'll put the link down below. Click on it, save the link. You can go to it anytime you want. Come in here and just put in whatever your starting balance is, all right? And then hit enter. And then what we're going to do is look to the right, and I'm not promoting, close every trade at $38.10 based on an $8,000 account. Every time you reach 38, I'm just saying, this is being broke down by the day, by the week, and by the month to double your account, okay? So here we have per day, all you have to do is profit $38.10. So it doesn't matter how many trades you open and close. You can open 10 trades, lose 9 of them, And if the one winning trade pulled you out of the hole by $38.10, you could close out for the day and you're on track to double your money, okay? Now, per week, you want to average $190.48. And per month, you want to average $761.90 per month on average. That includes all losers and gains. You've got to end up with that amount, and that will double your amount in 12 months. Now, Mike, this was built for me, and it assumes that 1 year of trading is 210 trading days, and this is what I use for a number. Natural holidays, vacation time, sick time, maybe time that I hear the fish are biting. So I use 210 days. Now, this bottom one here, this is a bit subjective, and please be careful with this one, okay? Please. You've got to decide, what kind of trader are you? Are you good? Are you? Or are you not so good? Here. This is my position size calculator, and one shoe does not fit everybody here, okay? This is important. So if you're a mediocre trader, if you are a trader that just can't seem to do it, well, you know what? You might need to drop this thing maybe down to 3%. Hit enter, and that's all the dollars that you can trade in a position based on an $8,000 account at 3%, $240. That's all it is. If you have one trade, all you have to do is make 15.87% to be on track. If you have two trades, the trades just have to be 2.94% or, gain for the day. And then three trades, it's only 5.29%. Now, again, you've got to know yourself, and you've got to know your trading, okay? This is important. And I'll be honest, I trade at about 14% here, okay? So for me, if I had an $8,000 account, and I might even bump this up a little bit, especially in a good market. And the good market could be both bearish or bullish. So it depends which way that strong trend is going. So anyway, please make sure that your number here, this is a very personal number based on your true trading. Are you good or are you not? And you got to do that there. So anyway, I would put in $1,100, and then there's kind of a window because I trade a lot of options. There's no way you're going to get exactly $1,120. So, there might be a window, 1,000, maybe to 12 something, just so that fits in there. All right. So anyway, I will put this link down below. Please take a look at it. I think it's very worth your while. I think it will be, at the very minimum, very eye-opening to see how little you actually have to profit a day, a week, a month to double your money. All right. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget those thumbs up, and also, leave comments and hit the bell. Subscribe and hit that bell, and you'll be alerted every time we put one out. Thank you for watching episode 16, SOUN. Appreciate it.